Hi everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to do a 8.5 by 11 tri-fold brochure on the Formax FD 346 folding machine. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to come over. First you're going to want to power the machine on right there. Already got it on. And next we're going to come up to this top piece here, and what we're going to do is we're going to adjust this guide to the fold that we want. And if you look at our chart here, we're going to find that we want to do this fold on the 11-inch line. I'm trying to refocus. And as you can see, that is a tri-fold shape. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pinch those grippers right there, and we're just going to slide it down to that 11-inch tri-fold icon. And it kind of locks into place. So we're just going to go ahead and leave that there. Now the other area that you need to pay attention to is going to be down here. So this piece, just lift up and it slides out. And now same thing, we're going to find the 11-inch tri-fold, which is going to be that one there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to slide this guy down. Try to get it right on that tri-fold there. Now we need to put this back up into the unit. And it has to be nice and snug, so not going anywhere now. Okay. So next, tripod. We're going to go ahead and get the print piece set up. So I've got a tri-fold here. Since it's folding on the 11-inch length, we're going to load it in this direction. Once you get these guides on, just tighten them down. And the next step is going to be to lift this lever. The lever lifted, apologize for the shaky camera, just go ahead and get your paper nice and squared up to that back plate there, and then you could go ahead and drop the lever, and what that's doing is that's putting the prints up under these feeder rollers so I can pull the paper through. Okay, so now this is kind of where the trial and error comes in to get it really dialed in. So obviously you're going to want to print a couple extra prints. That way you can test this out. So you've got a couple of main buttons here. You've got the run button, which is the green one. You could reset your count with that. This will run one piece at a time. If you click on this, you can set it to run multiple pieces. So this will be one set of 15 folds with a 1 second interval. So really you could set that to like five sets of 15, and then the time interval is the time in between the jobs run. So that means you would have 1 second to pull the pieces off the back and get ready for the next set. So what we're also going to do is we're going to slide this out, and now we're going to just run these one at a time until we get it dialed in the way that we like it. So we're just going to hit one. See what we have. So, looking at this, it's off quite a bit. We need to get this front flap moved over to the right a bit. This inside flap could go to the left a bit, and the tilt isn't too bad. So let's go ahead and start by adjusting the inside flap. So to adjust the inside fold, it's going to be this knob here, and as you turn that, you're going to notice that that guide will move accordingly. So we're just going to go a little bit counterclockwise with it. And now let's run one and see what happens. So yeah, our inside fold is now quite a bit closer to the center. Now let's make an adjustment to our outside fold. So we're just gonna give it about a quarter turn there and see what happens. And again, we're gonna run just one piece. And sometimes it'll do that where it runs multiple pieces where it shouldn't. So looking at that, we still have a ways to move the front. So we're going to adjust a little bit more. Now the back is for some reason off, so go ahead and adjust that one too. And with those adjustments, it's looking pretty good now. And the tilt on it's pretty good as well. If you did need to adjust the tilt, that adjustment would be done right there. And what I mean by adjusting the tilt is if the piece was coming out crooked like that, then you could correct the tilt. Okay, so now we've got it dialed in the way that we want it. And we've only got a couple of sheets left. And so let's just run this increment of 15 since it should be good to go. Get these out of the way. And here we go. And it just quickly ran off the rest of our pieces. And there you go. We've got a nice little stack of trifolds.